These are matters for which over 80% of Ugandans are either novices at law or have failed to understand. And almost 100% of security agencies have refused to understand. There is a difference between Rwandans and Banyarwanda. Rwandans belong to Rwanda. Banyarwanda is one of the indigenous communities here in Uganda. So what does the Constitution say? When everybody reads the third schedule to the Constitution of the Republic of Uganda, they actually tell these people that they are Ugandans and they are provided for in the Constitution. I am sure all of you have heard about it. Now that is not the law. A schedule is just a list. The law is what generates a citizen of Uganda. And that law is under Article 10 of the Constitution of the Republic of Uganda. That law states that for one to be a citizen of Uganda by birth, you can be born either in or outside Uganda, it doesn't matter, but either of your parents or grandparents must have been a member of an indigenous community in Uganda as at 1st February 1926. Membership of either of your parents or grandparents to an indigenous ethnic community that existed in Uganda as at 1st February 1926. And I raised the following concerns. Number one, that 1926 threshold is alien and repugnant to any provisions of any constitutions of Uganda from 1962 up to 1967. Number two, we don't know of any such register of members of ethnic communities that existed as at 1st February 1926. So it is an amorphous establishment. It is a figment of a fertile imagination by members of the Constituent Assembly, a chimera of some sort, that people dreamt of something and placed it in the laws of Uganda, which is unascertainable. We don't have any village in Uganda that had records of membership of any indigenous ethnic community in Uganda.
You know exactly what happened on 27th of September when we were going for consultative meeting with the people from Kasanda. We were stopped by police and they stopped us from engaging with our community on this issue, which is very important, of citizenship and the Banyarwanda rights in Uganda. I'm very sure member of media community, you have seen this report which was presented to the Parliament of Uganda, of Uganda Human Rights Commission 2023, listing among the communities that who are going to be stateless. Banyarwanda is number one. I've never heard about these other communities, but I'm sure they are there also. You have also seen some of the communications which have been made by Immigration and NIDA regarding the mass renewal of national ID, specifically identifying Banyarwanda among the communities which are going to apply for citizenship in this country. First of all, that is very wrong, because Banyarwanda are Ugandan.